Hey everyone, how are you? Thanks for tuning in to April and May 2015's Natural Events and Disasters Forecast. Looking back on March 2015 and February, they were really busy months in the Earth Changes Department. In particular March, there was an incredibly powerful Category 5 cyclone, which is the equivalent of a hurricane, that smashed through the islands of Vanuatu back on March 13th through the 14th, delivering massive destruction. Fortunately, not many lives were lost, but the devastation that storm left behind has definitely marked that part of the world for perhaps decades to come. February brought much of North America brutal winter weather. Will April and May be as bad? That's a good question. April might tame down somewhat in the weather department, except for perhaps tornadoes and severe weather, but we now have a major earthquake risk kicking in during April. May seconds it with perhaps a lot of activity in severe weather, now that the spring season's upon us. And that could be very evident that the spring's upon us. Look at that beautiful tree I got to my back right here. It's right now March the 25th, 2015. And Mother Nature sure is showing that. So guys, just like I did in the previous prediction, here come the forecasts coming right at you for April and May 2015. Same style as always. Alright everybody, so that's April and May 2015's natural disasters predictions. Hope you found them useful, as well as hope that you are prepared for what might be a very hammering season upon us. April and May could pack quite a wallop. Please be safe out there, especially if severe weather decides to strike near your area. And also watch those earthquake areas closely, especially in during this month of April coming up. So that's April and May 2015's forecast. I will see you again for June. So see you in another 2 months.